For this special Warren Park Primary School apple pie, we are looking at the subject of tunnels.
Tunnels are constructed using two main methods. The cut and cover method is used for shallow tunnels and tunnels built in the soft ground. This picture shows the construction of the Metropolitan Underground in 1861 London. The roads were dug up to construct a large ditch. Then the tunnel was constructed using bricks, before the soft ground was backfilled and the roads reinstated.
The Channel Tunnel used a boring method. Huge boring machines and grind their way through the rock and hard ground, and the spoil is removed to the surface. The head of the machine moves forward and then contracts to allow the lining of the tunnel to be constructed, and the whole process starts again.
So what keeps our tunnel safe?
As the tunnel is built, the outside ground pressure pushes the tunnel in and tries to collapse the tunnel.
It is the function of the liner to balance this pressure and push outwards, keeping the tunnel safe.
But it is also important to allow ventilation into a tunnel to provide clean air and remove pollutants.
Normally, this ventilation is either provided by ventilation shafts rising to the surface or by giant fans in the ceiling, blowing the pollutants out through the portals.
The Channel Tunnel has two special ventilation buildings to supply the 6,000 tonnes of air needed in the three tunnels. One is on either side of the channel.
The longest tunnel built in Britain is of course the Channel Tunnel from Britain to France. It is a rail tunnel and is over 31 miles long.
In second place is the Northern Tube Line tunnel between Morden and East Finchley. It was constructed between 1886 and 1939.
The Hydroelectric water tunnel in Scotland boasts third position. Built in 1925, almost all the electric power is used in a local aluminium smelter.
The next 5 positions are taken by several of the underground tunnels. These include the Victoria, Piccadilly, Central, Northern and Bakerloo lines.
The longest road tunnel just squeezes into the top 50. The Queensway Merseyside tunnel, built in 1934, is just 3,237 metres long.
So there you have it, all about tunnels in less than 3 minutes. Back to the studio.